Hello all, myself Chaitanya Shah. Currently, I reside in India and have recently started my journey as a software engineer at Yash Technologies Private Limited. For this hackathon, I have selected a dataset available at Kaggle which was regarding the tweets which was scrapped from the Twitter during the election duration of during the election which was held at US in 2020 in a 2020. I have performed a sentimental analysis of the Twitter dataset which was available on Kaggle to find the people's sentiments regarding Donald Trump and Joe Biden. I have built the application using Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Python, and for sentimental analysis, I have used Expert.ai API. And after fully analyzing the data, I have found that in the USA country, over 68.4% were positive sentiments about Donald Trump and 53.5% were positive sentiments about Joe Biden. This is the Jupyter notebook containing all the code. Firstly, I have exported the required packages and then I have uploaded the Kaggle, take the dataset from the Kaggle and uploaded in my Google Drive. And from the Google Drive, I have then imported the data. There are two different CSV file. One is hashtag donaldtrump.csv which contains data of tweets of uh, of tweets about Donald Trump. I have read that dataset using read CSV of pandas. And again, the second dataset hashtag Joe Biden, which contains the data related to tweets about Joe Biden. Then I have dropped the unnecessary columns and then merged the two columns using pandas concat functions. I have combined the two data frames. Term dataset which contains term tweets data, and Biden dataset which contains Biden tweet data. Then I have find out a total number of tweets which have candidates as Trump and candidate tweets which have candidates as Biden, and then visualize this data. And also then I have visualized the data based on the number of likes which was given on the content. And then I have visualized the data based on the countries. For example, in India, 54% people tweeted about Biden and 46% tweeted about Trump. Similarly for Brazil, I have printed out. Then I have created a chart builder for building charts. What was the status in the top five countries, top 10 states, and top five continents based on the tweets available. For example, this is top five country, top 10 states, top five continents. Then now it is the main part. I have performed a sentimental analysis. First, for the performing mental analysis, I have cleared the remove the square brackets, links, and any punctuations and numbers from the tweets, and all converted all the tweets into lowercase. And then I filtered the data where the candidate name is Trump and the country is United States of America. And then I have applied the clean above build clean functions or to clean the data. Then I have created a function using expert.ai API. This function sentiment overall to get the overall sentiment of the tweets. Here the text will be the tweets, input text will be the tweets, and language is English as I have selected English language, and resource will be sentiment from sentimental analysis. Then I have then I have applied then I have applied this the sentiment overall method which I have defined here and passed the tweets after clearing them. and language as English as it is defined above, and then perform a sentimental analysis and store the result in overall sentiment column. So in the overall sentiment, there will be, for every corresponding to every twist, there will be a overall sentiment column. So for example, without a doubt, the sentence has the sentiment of minus 4.40, and now I have given a score. Suppose if, based on the score, suppose if a value is negative, then the sentiment is negative. If zero, then neutral, and if positive, else it's really positive sentiment. Then we have applied get analysis method to get the and uh, sentiment positive, negative, or neutral based on the overall sentiment value. And then I have created a funnel to visualize the positive sentiments, negative sentiment, and neutral sentiments. Then I have generated a word cloud which will generate the words available in the in con- which generate the word clouds based on the words used in the context of Donald Trump. Similar procedure has been followed from Biden, Joe Biden, sentimental analysis, and then funnel visualization, and then word cloud visualization. After performing all the analysis, it was found that over 68.4% positive sentiments were there for Trump, and Joe Biden, and for Joe Biden, 53.5% positive sentiments were there. So this sentimental analysis is of high usage during for performing analysis of election events, or means other events or other products, and for product reviews, etc. So this way I have used expert AI API for the sentimental analysis of USA election event. Thanks for the opportunity. It was a great learning experience, and I have done many hands-on on this. Uh, I have done hands-on on this Python stuff after a long time, so it was a nice experience. Thanks for the opportunity.